Lloyd 146 cm, 58 inches, Ultra HD Android Smart LED TV. Built-in Chromecast. More the merrier. Watch your phone's content with your family members on a big screen of Lloyd TVs with built-in Google Chromecast. HDR. HDR produces dazzling detailed images with accurate reproduction of light and dark shades, and allows you to experience HDR content via all sources. Dolby Digital delivers immersive 5.1 surround sound with Dolby decoder to optimize TV's sound quality. Micro Dimming. Micro dimming analyzes the TV content in hundreds of separate zones to adjust the brightness and darkness. The picture quality is significantly improved to pamper your eyes. Netflix and other major OTTs. Let your imagination reign supreme as all your favorite content from Netflix, Prime Videos, Disney Plus Hotstar, YouTube is just a click away. Voice Command. Enjoy the convenience to select your favorite programs or ask questions to your Lloyd TV with built-in Google Assistant. Powerful Image Processor. 64-bit chassis supports multitasking and provides immediate processing which helps the whole system run smoothly.